Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be taking the dishwasher pods and making laundry detergent out of them. I'm going to start off with the bar of soap and I'm going to grate it. Then we're going to add hot water to it, mix it up and put it in the bucket. And then we're going to dissolve the dishwasher pods that are just borax, washing soda, and salt. Epsom salt. We're gonna dissolve that with some hot water also, and then combine it all, mix it all up with some essential oils, and yeah, call that liquid laundry soap. Alright, so this is the bar of soap I'm using. I'm supposed to use a bar and a half, but I'm using so much washing soda and borax that I'm going to skip that step. Half an ounce isn't going to kill me. Plus, there's still a little bit of leftover detergent, so that'll act as soap also. So I'm just taking my bar and grating it. Apparently, they have already grated soap that you can get too. I think the amount you need is 8 ounces. So yeah, I'm just using 5. We already talked about this. It is rose scented, but I'm also going to add some mint essential oils. Our grated soap, and now I have 4 cups of hot water. It's not to the point of boiling, but it definitely is hotter than warm water. So I'm just gonna add it, and we're gonna dissolve the soap granules, and then we're gonna add it into this bucket over here. I'm just trying to dissolve some of the soap off of the box grater. We're just going to mix it up until it dissolves. Alright, so I have my soap dissolved in the hot water, and now I'm just going to add essential oils to it. The smell I'm using is mint. Mix it up. And then in the bucket it goes. All right, now I'm going to take the borax and washing soda that was left over from the detergent pod video I did, the dishwasher detergent pods. I didn't like the residue that they left, so we're gonna recycle them, and it's gonna be laundry soap. So I'm just adding hot water. I'm just gonna mix it until everything gets dissolved. I might add some more mint essential oils depending on how it smells once the bucket is filled to the top. So what you do next, you add this mixture to the soapy mixture, the soap and water mixture, and then you mix that together, and then you top it off. Hi, Stitch. Hi, babes. Come here. This is Stitch, one who's always barking in videos. But once everything gets combined and mixed together, you just top it off with hot water again, and then let it sit for 24 hours, and then we'll mess with it then. We'll blend it now. So I'm gonna take it, a borax washing soda mixture. I'm gonna add it to the soap mixture. And then we're going to top the bucket off with more hot water. And then you have to let it sit for 24 hours apparently. So we'll top this off. Here goes the water. To be completely honest, it's probably better to have the bucket in the bathtub, so then I could just turn on the faucet there and add the water there, because there's no way this is fitting in my kitchen sink. So let's go fill this up again. So this is what we have. I know it's not filled all the way to the top to make it a full 5 gallons, but I'm not trying to spill this everywhere, so I did not top it off. I think the smell of the mint is pretty good. I think it was an ounce, 15 milliliters. So, yeah. But I'll check in with you again in 24 hours and we'll bottle this up. It's the next day. I stirred this up. It smells good. Now, I'm gonna take the detergent and put it into these containers. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have leftover and I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it. So with this laundry soap, you're supposed to use half a cup per load. I am going to test it out tomorrow on laundry day and we'll see how we like it. Hopefully this works out better than the detergent, the dishwasher pods. The dishwasher pods were not cool. The dishwasher pods sucked. What are you trying to dish? Oh, we shut it out. We filled up these 3 containers and that wasn't enough. So I'm gonna use a mason jar to hold the rest. When you use this, you want to make sure that you shake it before you pour it, because sometimes the borax and stuff settles at the bottom. It's half a cup per load, and we'll just get into doing a lot of laundry. Are there any towels over there? Yeah. Here. Thank you. Okay. One of my favorite shirts is all coffee stained. Had a little bit of accident in the kitchen. And then I got this shirt. It's just a white button up. But there's some stain marks along the collar and along the shoulders. So we're gonna try and get those out. This is a method I've recently come across. The way I make it is I do a bunch of squirts of dish soap with some OxyClean. Basically make it into a paste. Nice paste. If you had like a spare toothbrush, you could use a spare toothbrush for this part, but I don't, so I just use the spoon. So what do I do next? This is just a squirt bottle filled with dish soap and water. It's my all-purpose cleaner. Just gonna hit the stain, a couple of them, a couple of spots. work on those spots. So this goes right on there. Probably gonna need a lot more because there's a lot of stain happening. I've used this on grease stains before and it works amazing. It always gets them out. I've never used it. I don't think I've used this for coffee stains though, so. Sometimes it dries up a little bit when that happens. You just hit it with a little bit of water or all-purpose soap and water. I don't know what the fuck that was. Sorry. Hey! Stitch! I need you to not ruin this. So, when you get it on the areas you want it on, you just go in with a rag. And by rag, I mean sponge. Add a little bit more water. Okay, so the stains are pre-soaking in a giant pile. I'm gonna wait till they dry up. When that happens, just throw it in the wash like usual with some of that detergent on it. All right, time for the reveal. Did it work? I'm in the bathroom. It's the best lighting I have in my entire house. So, on the collar there were stains. And now, they're gone. There were also some stains on the back, and those appear to be gone. There were stains on the front. I think that they were coffee stains because I'm still finding a couple that I missed. Not that I treated them and they didn't work. It's mostly that I didn't see them because I was in shitty lighting. So there's a stain here still. That's not picking it up. There's two little stains right there. And then I found another one on the back somewhere or on the arm. So I still have to do that one. But the big one was my Hawaii shirt. Remember that giant coffee stain right smack dab in the middle on the belly? I'm happy to say that it is gone. After I let this soak overnight, the stain remover, I let that sit overnight, and then I just threw it in my wash like regular. And that's what I like to use for my stain remover. I usually use that same exact paste, the dish soap, OxyClean, a little bit of soapy water to pre-treat it. That usually, my dog just hopped in the shower. Get out of there. Hey, sir. No. Come on. Usually, come on, Bubba. Get out of there. I'll use that. I use it a lot in coffee stains. I get coffee stains all the time. Coffee stains and grease stains. Those are the two things I get most. I haven't tried it on blood. Maybe I'll try that next time. But yeah, try it out. And let's get back to soap making. This is my laundry pile, and All of these were washed with the homemade laundry soap. And it doesn't really smell like much, but it just smells neutral. I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'm okay with that. My first impressions are, it seems to be good. This is the armpit and it doesn't stink. And it's Nicole's shirt, so she works more than I do. I think it, oh yeah, this was a really dirty shirt too. I think it turned out good. First impressions, I mean, I can't tell any difference with like the feel of it. We don't use smell freshy beads or dryer sheets or fabric softener, so it's pretty simple. There's literally dog hair everywhere all the time. Anyways, if you've made it this far, I'm just gonna fold my laundry. Thanks for watching, and it was, I don't know, it was something new, so always learn something. Have a good day. Bye. 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 Bye.